Finding the right countertop companion can completely transform your daily morning routine. Discovering the best cup blender ensures you enjoy silky, nutritious smoothies without any annoying countertop clutter. These incredibly compact powerhouses deliver exceptional blending efficiency, processing tough ingredients directly into convenient, travel-ready vessels for ultimate everyday convenience. And product link in description, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Zwilling Infini Personal Blender. Boasting a sleek design that instantly elevates modern kitchen aesthetics, this German-engineered appliance combines sophisticated styling with reliable functionality. It serves as an exceptional blender for kitchen spaces where efficiency is paramount, whipping up everything from silky purees to chunky salsas with absolute ease. Operating on 500 watts of power, the motor works in harmony with a specialized compact CrushBlade that efficiently tackles stubborn, hard-to-blend ingredients without hesitation. Users can choose between 2 distinct speed settings, providing excellent control over the texture of their blends. Number 4. Ninja Blast Portable Blender. Engineered for active lifestyles, this cordless innovation redefines on-the-go beverage preparation by letting you blast through frozen ingredients wherever you wander. It provides a generous 18-ounce blending capacity, letting you create satisfying protein shakes, nutritional smoothies, and refreshing frozen drinks inside the exact same vessel you drink from. Available in premium colors to match your personal style, the unit features a comfortable, hinged carry handle for effortless transport. An easy open sip lid secures the BPA-free vessel with a reliable, leak-proof seal when locked, providing total confidence when tossed into a gym bag. Operation is incredibly intuitive and safe, utilizing separate power and blend buttons to effectively prevent accidental startups during travel. When it comes to performance, the internal stainless steel blast blade assembly works alongside a specialized ribbed vessel that generates a powerful vortex, pulling ingredients down to crush ice smoothly. Number 3. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. This countertop champion utilizes specialized pulse technology driven by a powerful 700-watt push-to-blend motor base that easily pulverizes tough ingredients. It functions flawlessly as a dedicated smoothie maker and milkshake mixer, liquefying whole fruits and vegetables to achieve excellent nutrient extraction by processing parts usually discarded. Frozen ingredients and stubborn ice cubes are effortlessly crushed into resort-quality frozen drinks, making it a versatile asset for health-conscious households. The compact countertop design ensures it occupies minimal real estate, fitting comfortably under low cabinets while remaining easily accessible for daily routines. Users blend directly inside the included 16-ounce single-serve cup, pop on the convenient spout lid, and immediately head out the door. Number 2. Ninja BlendBoss Personal Blender. Featuring a robust 1200 peak watt motor base, this powerhouse effortlessly crushes ice into fine snow and processes heavy ingredients without breaking a sweat. Its ultra-powerful single-serve foundation sports a modern aesthetic and a clever, space-saving design that integrates beautifully into any kitchen environment. The multifunctional stainless steel CrushBlade assembly is explicitly engineered for velvety smoothies, smooth nutrient extractions, and small portions of dips, soups, or purees. What sets this model apart is the thoughtful focus on transport, featuring a cup holder-friendly design complemented by a contoured, comfortable, easy carry handle. The drinking experience is enhanced by an integrated chug spout for rapid hydration, alongside a detachable straw for leisurely sipping. Number 1. nutribullet Ultra Personal Blender. Setting a new standard for performance, this premium appliance features a 1200-watt motor that stands as the manufacturer's most powerful single-serve option available. Remarkably, it functions as their quietest model yet, utilizing a specialized engineering design that produces a lower frequency sound to keep mornings peaceful. The streamlined profile takes up minimal space on the counter while introducing an innovative, glowing touchscreen interface to the modern kitchen. This intuitive interface illuminates 2 distinct blending options upon cup contact: a full circle for automated cycles, and a pulse circle for hands-on control. Innovation extends to the blending cups, which are crafted from Triton Renew material featuring 50% certified recycled content, ensuring they remain shatter-resistant, BPA-free, and dishwasher-safe. Longevity is further enhanced by the rapid extractor blade. Final verdict. Investing in the right setup depends entirely on how much power and portability you require for your daily routine. The nutribullet Ultra Personal Blender makes it the absolute best premium pick. However, if you need rugged travel utility alongside massive ice crushing, the Ninja BlendBoss Personal Blender is an equally phenomenal choice. Both elite options deliver incredible value, superior blending capabilities, and rugged durability to perfectly elevate your entire healthy morning routine. Check the link in the description for current details and other options.